Today we will see how to disable the image zoom functionality in the Dawn theme. Firstly, we will go to a preview, then click on customize. Now we will open the product page. This image is too big, so we don't need the image zoom on this image. How to disable that? First go to a product page, then go to product information, then scroll down and you will see no zoom option. After selecting this, just hit save. Just reload the page. Then you can see there is no zoom option.